Siz to be ya'ni bo'lmoq fe'li bilan present continuous, past continuous, future continuousda keladigan emissar, will be, was were adashtiryapsizmi hali ham? Unda bu videoni aslo o'tkazib yubormang. To be bu bo'lmoq fe'li, ya'ni bu o'zi fe'l bo'lganligi uchun o'zidan keyin yokida ot, yokida sifat, yokida sonni chaqirib keladi. For example, I'm a doctor. I'm 17 years old. I am happy, I am ill, etc. Ya'ni man doktorman, man xursandman yoki kasalman, man 17 yoshdaman. Ya'ni to be dan keyin ot, sifat, son yokida joy kelib qolishi mumkin. I am at work, for example. Man ishdaman. Lekin present continuous, past continuous, future continuousda keladigan to be lardan keyin, ya'ni emissar, was were, will be dan keyin ish harakat davomiyligi keladi. For example, I am working at the moment. Men hozir ishlayapman. I was working at 6 o'clock yesterday. Men kecha 6 da ishlayotgandim. I will be working at 6 o'clock tomorrow. Men ertaga 6 da ishlayotgan bo'lishim mumkin. Video yoqqan bo'lsa, tanishingizga yuborishni unutmang.